channel Kim Ryan TV right now. There tonight and me alone. So me say, a first time in my life, me go cut up on whole chicken. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay. So tomorrow, so me never cook Sunday, cause girl did work all day Sunday. So girl say she go cook. Like tomorrow me day off, me go cook. Tomorrow. See the time at 10:49 now I go to 11 o'clock. Yeah. So I don't know if I cook the chicken yet. I don't think about it yet, but I like to season up my chicken if I cook any kind of meat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna say it again. Alright. So first time I go cut up a whole chicken. I normally cut up whole chicken, but I never have no choice this time because when I went to the supermarket, they only had whole chicken. So I had to buy a whole chicken. And then I go read it and it go say, no antibiotics ever, fed all vegetarian diet, no animal byproducts, free range. Them things them I like. So I want to learn to cut up a whole chicken. So, I don't know it a go. Me don't know, I'm not clue me start. Cause after bag already, that's the first thing. The first time in my life, me a big woman. Me never cut up. Me always buy chicken parts. When me there Jamaica, I already cut up. Me always buy breasts. When me there America, which is easy to cut up. So I'm always buy wings. So me don't know nothing about cutting up a whole chicken. Me don't know nothing about that. So your girl there so now. I'm gonna try my best to cut up the whole chicken. Yeah. So, God go with me. I'm gonna try. First time I cut up chicken, a whole chicken, I don't even know all me need to go up on YouTube for go see. Like come go up on YouTube, eh? Blood clot, something I need to. Oh, yeah, me used to see them take out this. When I go. So, I should go up on YouTube, right? You just have to leg first. Wait, I'm supposed to clean out the nails. I clean out already. No, sir. I can't go through them and sit here, you know. So, I just gotta try to see if I can cut up the whole chicken. I can cook, you know, don't get me wrong, but I just never cut up whole chicken before. So, here we go. Let's see. I see people do it now, but I'm never interested. Look like that. Hold on there. I got to have to leg them first. No, it's not going on. Probably not. My mother, me used to see my mother and my sister cut up whole chicken. And then cutting at the giant and something. This has stressed me already. May I try? Yeah, my husband even text me. I say, if you can't bother people say, I hope you know about a FaceTime me in my video, you know. Oh. Because when him there work at me, they want me say. Him come like him love company, see? Can't go sleep till he come home at night time. They can't sit down on the phone with me. You might walk and you have me on the phone. Yeah. I'm not even respond to him text because I want him things when they asleep. I'm going to try to get this chicken. Yeah, I saw Ryan stay. When in there work at night time, Jesus. If I just hear him up on the phone, I breathe with him. Why? I cut wing off. I cut leg off. Forget about Ryan. What? Me I go out with myself. I just try and memorize how I used to say. My mother used to do it, you know. I just try and memorize that. Yeah, I'm a sister. Yeah. I used to sit and cut it up, but I never used to go through them and sit there, you know. I don't know. I get my little base too. Yeah. And put them there, you know. cause me I go out with myself. I feel like the hardest part right now. I don't knife the lava. What a knife am I supposed to do? I have to tell Ryan to be sharpening. You have one sharpener sitting. I cut off the. Look like me I'm chicken. The chicken body me I cut it off. Me I cut off the chicken body. Nobody in here so now me can't take the chat in. Wait there. I never forgot so. For cut it in a two. I don't want a skin for my chicken, so I got to cut off them big old skin, yeah. I don't like skin for my chicken. Ryan, I care. Ryan, Abelias. Ryan, Abelias, yeah? Hold on there. I reply to you. I can go on. I can go on next. But yeah, me I get it, you know, me I get it. Really, I wonder if I forgot that way, yeah. I better me put that chicken in a whole hand on, you know. No, laugh over me, you know. Can make sure tell them I already say. I never cut up a whole chicken before. Yeah. See the breast, yeah? We get the breast, you know. That's not bad. It's not that hard, you know. When me I get the hang of it now. Not that hard. I see in it, so now. Clean out them things, yeah? Yeah, clean out in the chicken. Not cook a chicken, so. Make sure you clean out the belly. Enough time I buy chicken back and chicken foot and chicken neck. And make stew peas. Enough time, cause and every time me like pigtail and them thing there. So I go over the international market. I'ma buy chicken back. I buy chicken neck, I buy chicken foot. I don't eat chicken foot, you know, but Ryan love it. So I cook it for him. But I buy sometimes I will buy turkey neck put in there too. Yeah, then sell turkey neck over there. And we make some stew peas, some real Jamaican stew peas. Where you have the pig steel and them thing there, yeah. So, but I watch me in there, you know. I might bet me a beard and go. And me done this. Yeah, cause when I come from work, I go to Walmart and something. I go to Walmart and something. Yeah. I did say me I just go to school and nowhere. But me can't just go school and no work. I don't like that style. I don't like that style. I'm a girl. I love if I can take up my money and buy what I want. Just like anytime. But I don't have to tell nobody to buy it for me. So I don't care who. So I got a job. So I'm working online for school. I work online for school. I'm doing online classes for school. So I go my work in the day. I go to my work in the day and then it is me a good girl. Good girl get breasts. Good girl get breasts. What? So where next breast gone? Me use them plastic thing here. Them plastic thing here. Because me dispose of it when I'm finished. Cause I think that the board ones them carry germs or something like that. So the next breast for cutter. It not cutter. But yeah, give me problem for no breast. And that one the cutter so good. Me bomba. The breasts are spoiling now, guys. No, I can't live like this. I can't do this. I not do this again. Yeah, the knife dolly. I can't do this again. Some for people who are professional. Can't do this again. Can't do this again. I don't cut them up smaller still. But I don't want to draw the video no longer. So I cut them in half too. Be a good girl. Make them. One time I try to debone it. Yeah, that knife. Yeah, what kind of knife? Since I brought this here, man. So, guys, I eat this, you know. Mash up me and show because I can't stay on this phone all night. So, I'm gonna look. See? So, I cut it up. I get my two legs, I get my breast part, I get my thigh part. Yeah. So, your girl did it. So, remember to like, share, and subscribe. We never made a video last time, you know, like Sunday this weekend, you know, because we're tired, boy. But like, share, and subscribe, guys. I tried. I think I did a good job. Yeah. When I said the other day, right, I tried to prank me, and he prank backfire for him. Him think I did up, still at the prank that go road by the whole of YouTube. I laugh at it, but he tried. But remember, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Yes. Love you guys. Thank you guys for your support and your love. Thank you guys to the real one them. Yeah. Mwah. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. And also go follow me on Instagram. Follow Ryan on Instagram. Okay. Peace out. Oh, I never tell you my Instagram name. It's Abrakim Ryan. And at Prezi Righteous. Yeah. Alright. I'm going to get longer. Thank you guys for watching.